I have a new cordless stick vacuum from Zemimo. I think that's how you pronounce it. This one does stand up on its own without anything holding it. And it does come with a mount where you can mount it on the wall. I just haven't decided where exactly I'm going to mount it yet. As for the unit, we'll go ahead and unplug it. I'll give you a quick demonstration for it. So it does change sizes. You can adjust. So you can adjust your length. You want it longer or shorter. It does have a decent sized battery. And this is a 29.6 volt system. Now, as for the battery time, if you use it in the lowest setting, you're going to get up to like 90 minutes, maybe it's 80. Mid setting, 50, and turbo setting is like 30 minutes. So you can still turbo vacuum your house pretty quickly. And it takes 3 hours to charge it. The canister is a super easy remove system. Just press this button on the side, it pops right out. And then to dump it, you just hit this little button here. This flap opens up and dump everything out. It snaps right back on easily. You also do have a couple of attachments with this one, along with your user guide. So we could use this as a handheld mode. We'll do a quick demonstration with that as well. You do have a cleaning brush. You get an extra filter along with the spongy filter. So if we turn it on, we're going to get a display. It's going to show you 100%. Hit this. Right now it's in eco. That's mid mode. And in high mode, you'll see it has these green lights, which will make it easier to see in the dark. And you can go from hard floor to carpet. We've had a lot of rain and mud, so I got this carpet here. Easily sucks up those gravel pieces and the dirt, even on eco mode. Turn it up. Even on eco, it'll pick up messes pretty easily. And like I said, you can always turn it into a handheld unit. So you can pop these pieces off. Then you have your other attachments that you can easily pop in, along with your little brush one. We could test it on some of this dog hair. So this is eco mode, and it is pulling up the hair. It actually doesn't do too bad with dog hair. So this will work pretty well for your vehicle too. That's going to be my quick demo. It works great for a stick vacuum and also a handheld vacuum. It'll even clean up dog hair and it will work pretty well for your vehicle. If you're looking for a pretty decent stick vacuum, it stays upright on its own, charges up in 3 hours, 3 different modes, and it just works pretty well. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.